Welcome back. So without wasting any time, let us start today's video. That is, we are starting thermodynamics chemistry part, thermodynamics lesson. So here we will discuss only the NCERT problems. So as you can see here, problem: express the change in internal energy of the system. So we have to express the change in internal energy. We know the formula: delta Q equal to delta U equal to Q plus W, work done. So here 6.1 first question is: no heat is absorbed by the system from the surrounding. So here no heat is absorbed, but work is done on the system. So underline on the system. What type of wall does the system have? So these are the given in the question. No heat is absorbed, that is delta U equal to, no heat is absorbed means 0 plus W, that is delta Q equal to work done. Internal energy, change in internal energy is equal to work done, and work done on the system, as we can know, work done on the system is positive. So work done by the system is negative. So here they have told that work done on the system, so work done is positive. What type of wall does the system have? So what they are asking, and also asking what type of wall. So no heat is absorbed means in which wall you can see there is no exchange of heat, that is adiabatic wall. So adiabatic wall, there is no exchange of heat of the system and with the surrounding, that is adiabatic wall. This is the answer. Now see the second question. No work is done on the system. There is no work done 0 on the system, but Q amount of heat is taken out. If this is the system, Q amount of is taken out. So when the Q amount is taken out, heat is taken out, Q will be negative. When supplied to the body, Q amount of heat is supplied to the body, Q is positive. When taken out, it is negative. Q amount of heat is taken out, so Q is negative. Given to the surrounding. What type of wall does the system have? They asked what type. We know that delta U equal to Q plus W. So work done is 0, Q is negative because it is taken out. Delta U equal to minus Q. Q amount of heat is taken out and supplied to the surroundings. What type of wall does the system have? If this is the system is Q amount of heat is transferred outside. So think about the wall, which type of wall it may contain. So here it comes, which type of wall. So to send the heat outside, first the boundary should absorb the heat. So the wall is thermal conductive. So thermal conducting wall, it contains thermal conducting. It is made up of thermal conductor, means it will absorb the heat and sends it to the surrounding. Now let us see the third question. W amount of work done by the system and Q amount of heat is supplied to the system. Work is done by the system, as I told earlier. Work is done means it is negative, work done by the system, and q amount of heat is supplied to the system. As I told, q will be positive. Q amount of is absorbed or supplied to the system. So we will plot this in this q minus w. So this is the answer. Q amount is of heat is supplied and work is done by the system. So answer for this question, what type of system would it be? In which system you can see this equation? Work is done by system and q amount, when q amount of heat is supplied to the system, work is done by the system. In which system, which type of system would you see it? So comment this in the comment box, and who will give the correct explanation and answer, I will take their name in my next video.